Hi, this is Christina at Kaizink. Today I'm going to be showing you how to increase density in your file. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the tatami fills here. So I'm just clicking, holding down Control, and grabbing the inside portion of this logo. From there I'm going to go over to fills, and you can see right now we're at 5,840 stitches. So in order to increase the density, we're going to decrease this value here. So we're at 36. We're probably going to go down to about 30. And as you can see, that increased your stitches. We also noticed when we sewed this out that this outline isn't as thick as we would like it to be. So again, hold down Control, click on the outline, and then from there we're going to go over to Special, and then use our slider, and that looks pretty good. We will sew this out again on a hat. Make sure we can't see the hat through the tatami, and make sure that this outline is looking a little thicker, and we'll send this to the customer for press proof. Thank you.